Hi, this is the first video assignment from CS500. Today, I'll walk you through some of the powerful ideas from the power chapter in data feminism. This chapter dives into how power operates in data science and why it often reinforces inequities. Let's explore what that means and how we can push for change. Um, So let's start with an example of many of us can relate. That is, Serena's childbirth story highlights a major issue that is racial disparities in healthcare. And oftentimes, Black women in US are three times more likely to die from pregnancy-related causes than white women. And it isn't just a coincidence. It's a result of systematic power imbalance built into our institutions. And to understand these inequities, Patricia introduced the matrix of domination. It shows us that power operates in four key ways. First is structural, through laws and policies, and those are really concrete. And second is disciplinary, through enforcement. And third is hegemonic, through culture and media. And the last one is interpersonal, through our daily experiences. And these domains intersect to uphold those systematic bias. So now let's talk about data science. One thing worth bringing to our attention is privilege hazards often happen when teams lack diversity. And this leads to biased algorithms. And for example, Joy's research uncovered how facial recognition systems oftentimes fail to detect darker skin faces. And she had even to put on a white mask to be able to be recognized by the machines. And which is really absurd if you think about it. And at the same time, critical gaps in data like maternal mortality and femicide statistics show how systematic neglect can harm marginalized groups. So, how do we fix this? Advocacy and systematic change are key. Leaders like Joy and Kimberly Sales Ehlers are showing us the way. Joy's algorithmic Justice League fights the algorithmic bias, and Kimberly's app empowers Black mothers to find unbiased healthcare providers. These initiatives prove that change is possible when we take action. So, to wrap up, the power chapter reminds us that power reflects, or data reflects power, but with the right approach, it can also challenge and change inequities. By examining who upholds the power and advocating for equity, we can create a better and fairer world. Thanks for listening.